Hi there, Matt here from EWI Store, here today to talk to you about EWI-330 mineral and acrylic primer. So as you can see, it comes in a 20 kilo tub, and this is to be used as basically a top coat primer prior to using your mineral or acrylic renders. So also can be used for the mosaic render at the bottom, so it's a real good all-rounder for the primings. What you could do is also add colours to this. So this can be pre-coloured, ready for your top coat. So whatever colour you're going, if you're going a darker colour, then obviously we'll add some pigment to this as well for you. So we'll keep the colour nice and strong all the way through. Once it's applied, can take weather dependent, can take from 4 hours, obviously longer depending on the weather. But yeah, once it's all dry, ready then to go over with your top coat, whether it be mineral or acrylic. And then yeah, it's a really good primer.